Today, let's do something a little different and talk about how trading looked during the month of December. What you see here is the range that was creating during December, showing you about 30 days of price data. As you can notice, Bitcoin has been stuck inside this range throughout the last month of 2025. But if you zoom in and look at just the last 2 weeks of the year, the price looks even more stuck inside this small range, tiding up more and more. And trading these very small ranges, especially without any strong or meaningful price action, is usually very difficult. But if you step back and look at the rest of the year, the picture starts to look a little different. So, what actually happened in 2025? First, price crashed hard from around $100,000 down to the $75,000. Then we saw a strong rally from 75K up to the 125K, where the Bitcoin broke records and printed new all-time highs. And after breaking that record, the price started crashing really badly. Now we are simply stuck again, trading sideways inside this range during the month of December. So my question is very simple. Why do most strategies, methods, or patterns generally break down in the month of December, and why does this apply to almost all kinds of assets? There are 5 very common reasons why this usually happens. Let's go through each one step by step and talk about what to do during the month of December. The first and the most common reason is the holiday break. In December, big players like banks, funds, and other institutions, along with many traders, start taking short breaks for the holidays. Most of them simply want to rest and stay away from the markets in the month of December. This behavior reduces overall trading activity across all types of order books. This is actually what I do in December as well. Most of the time, I take small breaks from trading or investing and stay on the sidelines. Since many people are on holiday or just resting, trading volume drops significantly. This is why we often see long duration of price moving sideways in very tight ranges. For example, Bitcoin has been stuck around 90K for the past month. Another factor is something called tax harvesting. This simply means many people sell their losing assets in December to lower the taxes they owe. This creates price movement that don't really make logical sense at all, often break clean price action. For example, you might see a great long setup, but instead of buying, you may sell open positions just to reduce your taxes. This creates price action that feels completely illogical. This is why the pattern's breaking. Banks and funds also clean up their books and prepare for the new year during the December. Because of that, they usually stop placing large orders in the markets and rest like everyone else. So, when all these reasons come together, they break normal price action logic and the patterns. As a result, common patterns, strategies, and methods tend to stop working in December a lot. This is why price action becomes really choppy in the month of December. It moves up and down again, all within very small range, just like what we see with Bitcoin. So, what should you do in December? What is the best course of action during this time? It is actually quite simple. Just relax and slow things down a bit. Reduce your trading and investing activity in December and give yourself some rest. There's no need to lose unnecessary money in these choppy markets with very low volume and illogical price actions. Just wait for the new year and start fresh when the conditions improve. So wishing you and your loved ones healthy, happy, and Green New Year.